Crafter. In part 1 of this tutorial, I am going to show you how I print my full sheet pattern vinyl. Open up a blank Google Doc. Click on Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and select your pattern image file. Change your image to wrap text. Click on File and Page Setup. Change your paper type to A4 and change all of your margins to 0. Then click OK. Now you can resize your image to fit the whole page. Click File and then click Print. Check your settings and print with the system dialog. I will link my video for perfect print and cut up in the top right. If your printer is capable, change the settings on your printer to the specific paper type. And for this label paper, I choose Specialty Paper Matte. Insert your label paper into the printer one sheet at a time. Be mindful of how your printer wants you to put your sheet in. For my printer specifically, I have to put the page upside down for it to print on the correct side of the paper.